Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make rosemary oil at home for luscious, healthy hair. This DIY project is super easy and incredibly beneficial for your hair care routine. Rosemary oil is not only fantastic for promoting hair growth, but it also helps in reducing dandruff and preventing premature graying. Plus, it can improve the overall health and shine of your hair. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what you'll need. Gathering the right ingredients and tools is crucial for making the perfect rosemary oil. You'll need fresh or dried rosemary. Fresh rosemary is often preferred because it contains more of the essential oils that are beneficial for hair growth. You'll also need a carrier oil like olive oil or coconut oil, a clean glass jar, and a strainer. That's it. Simple, right? These ingredients are easy to find and very affordable. Now let's dive into the process. This is where the magic happens. Start by washing the fresh rosemary to get rid of any dirt or pesticides. This step is important to ensure that your oil is clean and safe to use. If you're using dried rosemary, you can skip this step. Dried rosemary is already clean and ready to use. Make sure to pat the rosemary dry with a paper towel. Removing excess moisture is crucial to prevent mold growth in your oil. Next, take about 1 cup of rosemary and place it into your clean glass jar. The amount of rosemary you use can be adjusted based on how strong you want the infusion to be. If you want a stronger infusion, you can use more rosemary. The more rosemary you add, the more potent your oil will be. Now, pour your carrier oil over the rosemary until it's completely submerged. Make sure the rosemary is fully covered to ensure a proper infusion. I'm using extra virgin olive oil today, but you can use whichever carrier oil suits your hair type best. Coconut oil is also a great option, especially if you have dry hair. Seal the jar tightly and give it a good shake. This helps to mix the rosemary and oil together, starting the infusion process. Now comes the waiting part. Patience is key here. Store the jar in a warm, sunny spot for about 2 to 4 weeks. The warmth helps to extract the essential oils from the rosemary. The longer you let it sit, the more potent your rosemary oil will be. If you can wait the full 4 weeks, you'll get the best results. Make sure to shake the jar every few days to help the infusion process. This ensures that the rosemary and oil are well mixed. After a few weeks, your rosemary oil is ready. You'll notice a rich, aromatic scent. Strain the oil through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean jar or bottle. Discard the rosemary leaves. This step ensures that your oil is smooth and free of any plant material. And there you have it. Your homemade rosemary oil is ready to use. It's that simple. Your homemade rosemary oil is ready to use. This oil can be stored for up to 6 months in a cool, dark place. To apply, simply massage a small amount into your scalp and hair, leave it on for at least an hour, and then wash it out with your regular shampoo. You can also leave it on overnight for a deeper treatment. For best results, use it 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency is key to seeing the benefits of rosemary oil. So give it a try and let me know how it works for you. I'd love to hear about your results and any tips you might have. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips. Your support means a lot to me and helps me create more content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and happy DIYing!